Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel today. I'm going to share with you chicken dumplings. First take 800 grams chicken mince. Add 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 1½ teaspoons garlic paste. 1 teaspoon paprika powder. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. ½ teaspoon black pepper. Some chopped spring onions. And coriander leaves. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon oil. Mix everything together. Now take another bowl and add 2 cups of plain flour. ½ teaspoon salt. ½ cup of hot water, or as required. First mix with spatula because it's very hot, and then use your hands. Cover it and leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, knead the dough. Then divide into small portions. Sprinkle some flour. Take 1 portion and roll it into a circle. Add some of the filling in the center. Fold the dumpling wrapper in half and pinch in the middle. Start folding from the right, and then the left as shown in the video to seal the dumpling. Add the dumplings into the hot steamer. Steam for 10 to 15 minutes. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.